Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video from Gameplay Classic. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to change your server in PUBG. In order to change your server in PUBG, launch the PUBG game open and make sure you are in this lobby screen. From your lobby screen, go to the bottom right corner and tap on this little arrow and click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, make sure you are inside Account Info. And then once you're in, go to the Select Server tab and tap on Change right next to it. Now select the server you want to change to and click on OK. Click on OK once again. Once you switch to a different server, you won't be able to change the server for 7 days. So make sure you are making a wise choice. And once you do that, you have successfully changed your server in PUBG. Now you know how to change the server in PUBG Mobile. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.